Thank you for buying this 18106 modified bitumen roll from Fixture Displays. Unlike the large and heavy rolls, we offer this 8-inch roll and is a lifesaver for small repair jobs that you don't have to carry or purchase a large roll to get your job done. This is 16 feet long and 8 inches wide. The very high quality modified bitumen material and has a nice 1/8 inch thickness. Come with a release liner on the back side. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to email us cs.carlysam at fixturedisplays.com. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. This is a great item to repair your roof, your RV, and other services that you need to be watertight. This roll is a lot easier to carry than a large 4-foot roll. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.